Hello, and welcome to using Zoho Books for your invoicing. Where I am now is the dashboard, the home page, but a couple components to using invoicing. First, you want to set up your items. So in here, you would list various items that you were going to be invoicing for, and you have the opportunity to, let's edit this. You can name it, what unit it is. Is it by the box, the foot, the hour, or the piece, and so on? Whatever's appropriate for your situation. If there's a staff assigned to it, you can do that. Account number, and these are all variables as well. You can add variables in here to make it applicable to your business. If there's a set price in selling, you put this here, and the account that would apply to from your chart of accounts. You can add a description here if you like. And then the purchase, if this is an item, you can put your cost here and the chart of accounts account to which that would be applied on the purchase side of it, and a description, and the vendor, if you have a preferred vendor. So once that's set up, then you have this, all the items to use. Then you'll go to your invoicing, which, by the way, let's go over here to our settings, and we can set up our invoices with a number of variables. You can include your logo, how you want to set up, if you want to add a QR code in there, how you want to customize that. So you have a lot of options. You can also set up recurring invoices if it's going to be set on a monthly basis. So that's how you do that there. And let's go back over to our invoices are under sales. So you have your customers, which you also preset all their information in there. You have quotes in here, payment links, payments received, recurring invoices, credit notes, all in sales. Well, let's take a look at invoices. So let's create a new invoice, and let's see, we'll use here, we'll use this customer. And I guess we don't have all the details set up in here for that customer, but you would typically have that. And if there was a order, this you can set up so this is a default, or you can change it. Order number, if there's an order number associated with it, invoice date, the terms you can adjust those, and the due date, you can adjust that. Salesperson, if there's one, you can assign that to. You can put a custom subject line, otherwise it'll put the invoice number as a subject line. Then as your items, let's say you can enter your items here, let's say Adobe Pro. So it will automatically enter that information, put in the price. You can adjust the quantity. You can add notes to it. You can edit the item from here. Lots of different variables and options you can do. So there's your total of what you have so far for the invoice. If you have tax, you can add that. Tax has been removed from this because for this client, there isn't tax on their items, but you could add it in there. And let's see, then you've got the terms and conditions. You put a default in there. You can customize them if you wish. If you have to upload an order or a timesheet or various other information specs, you can upload a file to attach to the invoice. Then you can set up your payment options here. Your payment gateways could be here, and you can choose which one you want or all of them. Zoho has their own payment gateway, which actually is a little less expensive than most of the others. So here they have set up Zoho Payments and Authorize.net. And then you can just you can save it as a draft if this has to go through an approval process, or you can save and send the email. So let's do that and show. So this would be the email, how it looks, or the invoice. There is a Pay Now button, so they can just click that. I'll show you that in a moment. And there could be an attachment here if there was, like I said, a timesheet or something else. And then click on the Pay Now. See, maybe it's not set up here on this. No, it's not. Okay, but there is a Pay Now button, which will directly to the payment gateway, make it very easy for your customers to pay their bills. And then you would see here on your dashboard, you could see what is current, what is overdue. This is on the payables, this is on the receivables side. So that gives you a general idea of how to set up invoices in Zoho Books.